is Shirin. I'm going to show you guys how I upcycle 3 of my t-shirts. So there are many benefits of doing it. First of all, you get something new out of your basic t-shirt. Second, you get to customize it. Like, I always wanted a YouTube logo t-shirt and I didn't have one, so I made one. And third of all, it's very easy to do it, so you should try it out, and it's very engaging. करने में बहुत मजा आता है. So before we get into today's video, if you haven't joined my YouTube family yet, make sure you do it now by subscribing to it, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Only then you will be notified if I upload my new video. Also give this video a big thumbs up after watching it if you really like it. So let's begin. So for this DIY, we need some basic t-shirts. For the first one, I'm using a thin double-sided tape, fabric paint, sponge. I use the one that's used to wash dishes, and a sheet of paper that has an object printed on it. Make sure the print is not that complicated. I really wanted a YouTube logo t-shirt, and so I chose this. You guessed it right, we're going to use this sheet of paper as our stencil. To fix this paper on the t-shirt, I'm going to be using the double-sided tape so that it doesn't move while we paint on it. First, I applied the tape on the paper, and now I'm removing it so that it sticks on the t-shirt. Place a newspaper under the first layer so that the paint doesn't spoil the whole t-shirt. Now I'm going to pour some paint in a small container. With the help of sponge and stencil, I'm applying the paint on the t-shirt. Ta-da! It looks so neat and on point after removing the paper. And yes, this fabric paint stays on its place even after washing the t-shirt in the washing machine. Okay, this one is very much trending nowadays. You need a scissor, pen, and a t-shirt which could either be printed or solid. With the help of pen, I'm drawing a deep V that is supposed to be cut. Make sure it's equal from both the sides. It's up to you what length you prefer. Taking scissors, firstly I'm cutting the V, and now I'm gonna cut the neck area to give t-shirt a choker look. And yes, we are done with this t-shirt too. For this one, you again need a scissor, pen, and a cotton t-shirt which could either be printed or solid. With the help of pen, I'm making small lines around the neck like this, and now taking the scissors, I'm gonna cut the t-shirt's neck along these lines, and believe me, that's it. That's it for today's video. I hope you all liked it and found it useful. And if you recreate any of these looks, make sure you share your pictures with me on my social media. All my links are going to be mentioned here and in the description box as well. So I'm going to post your pictures as my stories on Instagram, and I really love doing that. So yes, see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.